I've just used Jellyfy to tweak the simulation results page, adding units, measurement here, rearranging some values, but that was a minor update, so I skipped showing it. Now let's do something more interesting. I'm going to ask the module to turn this demo into a real simulation. At the moment, the timeline ends at 6 p.m. by default, even though, for example, Rome on 10th of July, the sun sets much later. And also the energy output figures aren't based on real data. So next, I prompt the module to calculate an accurate serial production simulation based on actual parameter. So I will add a note here where I ask the model to use client-side functions to accurately calculate the simulation start and times, sunrise, sunset, based on date and geolocation, and current energy production value based on date, time, geolocation, peak power, and so on. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's see the actually, I just did half of the job because I didn't provide the internet access. So now I will try to. So it means that it calculated the sunrise and sunset and used the start and simulation time, and it's okay. But I didn't provide internet access to the model, so it couldn't find a way to calculate the energy production. So I will now I will try to update the request by providing internet access by this way. So Websearch, calculate the current energy production based on date value, date, time of the simulation, geolocation, peak power, and other params in the page. Search online for the functions to calculate the energy production. Okay, now let's see if this time it will work. Could you please clarify whether the energy production should be implemented in the back end or front end? And which form or library? Okay, one, implement it in JavaScript. Two, maybe simple model use. Okay. Okay, let's see if it makes any difference. So now I will try to change also the date, because to prove that it make any change. So I will use 1st of January, and let's see how is the simulation. Okay, so the 1st of January, at the top it's around 0.4 kilowatt. Instead, for example, if I go back to the for example the 1st of July at the same place, it will be something like the top will be 0.91, so it's much more. Consider that the peak is 1 kilowatt. I think it did properly.